Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how do I make my sopitas de pollo, some chicken soup in my Instant Pot. With fall being just around the corner, it is the perfect time for soup season to begin. So make sure to stick around and watch. Here's the list of ingredients that I'm going to be using today. I will be using 2 chicken breasts, 1 cup of chopped carrots, 3 stalks of chopped celery, 1 chopped onion, some green onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna call it 2 packets of chicken bouillon. I'm using the big container and I simply use 2 tablespoons. We're gonna be using about 2 teaspoons of adobo. You can adjust that to your taste. 1 packet of sazon tropical. I'm going to be using some oregano and some other herbs from my garden. A little bit of parsley, salt and pepper to your taste. I almost forgot to mention 2 to 3 large potatoes and anything else that you wish to add. I'm first going to begin by turning on my Instant Pot in saute mode. I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to let that butter melt. Once it's melted, I am then going to start by sauteing my vegetables. I will add my onion, my green onion, the celery. I will add my carrots and I will also add my potatoes in there along with the garlic and my herbs, and I'm going to saute it for a couple of minutes, and you're going to see that the aroma that you're going to get from these vegetables is just so delicious. Once the vegetables are done sauteing, I'm adding 8 to 9 cups of water straight into the Instant Pot. Then I'm going to add all my seasonings. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add my little packets of flavorings. I'm going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of adobo, about 2 tablespoons of the caldo de pollo, the chicken bouillons, and I had dry parsley, so I went ahead and added that as well. Once all of that is done, I am going to go ahead and mix it all together and just give it a final taste and see if that is what I want. After I'm done tasting it, then I'm going to add my 2 chicken breasts in there. Once all of that is in there, I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm going to cancel the saute mode, put on pressure cook, and I'm going to put it on high, and I'm going to put it to pressure cook for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna walk away. After it is done pressurizing and it's done with the 10 minutes, I'm going to let it do a natural release for 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes of natural release are done, I'm going to go ahead and release the remaining pressure. Once it's done depressurizing, I'm going to go ahead and open the lid, and I'm going to take the 2 chicken breasts and remove them. Then using forks, I'm simply going to shred them apart and place them back inside of the soup. After I do that, I'm going to mix everything all together, and then our soup is absolutely ready to be enjoyed. It is just so warm and so cozy and just so perfect for this season. If you would like to, you can go ahead and add noodles and rice to your soup as well, but for today, we're going to just enjoy this hearty soup just the way it is. Is it good?
Oh man.
You like it? You like mama's soup?
Health to my bones. Smells good. Oh man, that's really good.
Is it hitting the spot, Noah?
This like falls here and it's like time for soup.
Yeah, it's soup season. Now, my friends, it's your turn to go ahead and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. If any of you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.